how do we hold the trumpet? You can't hold the trumpet like this. Like I said, everything, we have different rings. There's a pinky ring. There's a third valve slide ring. There's a thumb ring, which is also the first valve slide ring. All these things are symbolic. They have their purposes. Now, this is the grip of the trumpet. You hold it this way. All your fingers, the 4 fingers, you have the thumb this way. And you have the 4 like this. The pinky ring, you have this last finger, and you have the 3 fingers, 1, 2, 3, and you have this here. And now you hold the trumpet like this. This is the trumpet grip. This is the way trumpet should be held. This way, and be careful that you don't have your hands like this. They should be like this. So the lines you're playing can be smooth, effective, and very focused. Thank you. I hope this has done you a lot of good. Try practicing it. It may take time for you to get the shape, but so watch this video over and over again and understand how I've demonstrated the hand positioning and placement, and do them gradually until you have a firm grip of how to hold the trumpet. Thank you.